you know, they were really engaged and they were challenged and they were really inspired. So we'd like to say a massive thank you.
Our kids got a lot from it, and I think they were quite confident at the end, so it was a really good session. Thank you very much, guys.
Our kids and the teachers themselves, because I think that at all times we were completely hooked, and really there are things that we ourselves had to learn and or to improve upon today. Thank you.
Presented it.
Well, I teach one of the students that actually won, and in the classroom he's not as confident, and for him to stand up in front of 180 students, he did exceptionally well, and I think it's because of what David and the team taught about this morning, about not giving up and to simply do it, and yes. I decide. So thank you.
You can do it!